आप जिस चीज को स्वीकृति दे दो, वो ताकत आपको वो चीज लाके दे देगी।
राधे 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 राधे। मैं नम्रता तिवारी आपका बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ आप ही के चैनल में भाव नम्रता, योर ओन चैनल भाव नम्रता, जो कि सिर्फ एक पॉडकास्ट का चैनल ही नहीं बल्कि भावना को व्यक्त करने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म भी है। आपके प्यार, आपके सपोर्ट और आपके आशीर्वाद से आज हम 1 साल पूरा कर रहे हैं।
माइक टेस्टिंग
ये सुपर एक्साइटेड। क्या था यार, हम बार बार भूल जा रहे हैं। क्या बोले थे तुम?
Be yourself, work upon yourself, be the best version of yourself. Hope, motivation, then resilience and hard work.
Imagine if you had complete control over how people perceive you. चलेगा क्या?
नम्रता मेरी अच्छी दोस्त होने के साथ साथ एक बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, एक खूबसूरत दिल की मालिक। उन्होंने ये चैनल एक बहुत खास सोच के साथ में बनाया है। वो उन महिलाओं को प्लेटफॉर्म देना चाहती हैं जो लेटर एज में अपना करियर शुरू करती हैं, या उन युवाओं को जो अपनी नई सोच के साथ में समाज में अपना स्थान बनाना चाहते हैं।
The conversation were heartfelt, beautifully curated and filled with genuine warmth. What touched me the most was the way you made every guest feel seen, heard and truly valued. Your unwavering dedication, consistency and the love you pour into sharing real, inspiring stories is something rare and deeply admirable.
Very professional and very meaningful to me. Her questions are deep, insightful, very meaningful and intentional. And they really made me reflect on my journey and the why behind what I do.
Every time I am on Bhav Namrata, I felt heard, inspired and welcomed to share from my heart. The thoughtful questions and the soulful conversations made me feel it is a soul dialogue. It's been an incredible journey watching you and listening to you. Your content continues to inspire, educate and create meaningful conversations that bring a lot of difference to the listeners' lives. The depth, authenticity and the heart that you bring to each of the conversations not only have built a YouTube channel but a conscious community.
What separates you from other podcasts is that the themes that you choose. I congratulate you on that also. You are actually adding value to the this women empowerment in India.
Thank you so much for inviting all those guests on your channel, and we could see a lot of insights and information and the discussions that's happening between you and the guests. We got so much of information out of it.
It is indeed lot of knowledge that we get. I follow almost every podcast that you release
on a podcast, and before that I did not know her at all, but trust me, her vibes, her energy is so attractive and so positive that it was, and we connected instantly.
कि आपके चैनल पर जो भी मेहमान आते हैं, आप उनका सम्मान पूर्वक और अपनेपन के साथ स्वागत करती हैं। ये बहुत बेहतरीन बात है आपके अंदर।
इनफैक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है देख के कि आप वेरियस टॉपिक्स कवर करती हैं। You're not just sticking to one stream, one field. You're covering various topics, different perspective और बहुत सी knowledge gain करें।
क्वेश्चन आंसर करती हैं, हंसते खेलते, और जब भगवान के बारे में बातचीत करते हैं तो उस वक्त आपकी आंखें नम होती हैं और उससे पता चलता है कितने भक्त और कितनी सहृदय हैं, कितनी सात्विक हैं।
It was a great experience having the podcast shoot.
I mean, it was an amazing journey. I have witnessed your journey with so many podcasts. So honestly, it was my privilege to be with you and shoot that podcast and have that experience of talking on camera, coming on YouTube, reaching out to so many people. It was a really good experience with the podcast concept with you. It was really good.
Podcast called Bhav Namrata. It was the first public appearance of mine. So it was a very different experience. I was really nervous. So I didn't know what to speak. I was just very nervous, right? And it just felt so homely with her,
And I had a lovely time having a conversation क्योंकि आपके जो questions होते हैं बहुत ही genuine होते हैं, बहुत ही value adding रहते हैं और they are very crisp. जहाँ पे I was able to bring my best to the audience.
And I really appreciate Namrata for her contribution to the society by spreading this massive knowledge of Sanatan Dharma, which is the very much need for the society for now.
आप सबका दिल से बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप लोगों ने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया, इतना प्यार दिया, इतने सारे कमेंट्स. थैंक यू so much.
I want to take this opportunity to congratulate Namrata and her podcast channel on turning 1. What an amazing milestone.
Happy anniversary, dear Bhav Namrata YouTube channel and the team.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Bhav Namrata.
बहुत बहुत बधाई नम्रता, आपके चैनल भाव में पूरा 1 वर्ष कंप्लीट किया है.
हरे कृष्णा. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो नम्रता माता जी आपको कि आपके इस पॉडकास्ट की दुनिया का 1 साल पूरा हुआ.
Many congratulations for your YouTube channel, which is completing the first year. How, Namrata?
Congratulations on completing 1 year.
Heartiest congratulations to entire team on completing 1 incredible year on YouTube. It has been an absolute joy to witness your journey and be a small part of it.
1 साल पूरा होने की उपलब्धि में आपको ढेर सारी बधाई.
Congratulations on the first anniversary of your podcast channel Bhav Namrata.
Congratulations to team Bhav Namrata.
Congratulations Namrata once again, and I cannot wait to see what year 2 brings for you and your channel.
So I hope and believe that your channel will grow globally. Thank you and all the best again.
एंड एक कहावत है ना कि अच्छे भाव से की हुई चीज का आउटकम हमेशा अच्छा होता है. दिस वन गोज फॉर यू. ऑल द बेस्ट, कीप रॉकिंग.
तो इसी तरह से मार्गदर्शन देते रहिए और लोगों को मदद करते रहिए अपने YouTube चैनल के माध्यम से.
So I wish you all the best.
एक दिन भगवान आपको खूब सफलता देगा और मेरी भगवान से प्रार्थना है कि आपको इस भारत में नहीं पूरे विश्व में एक नाम दें और आप पॉडकास्ट की दुनिया में बहुत आगे बढ़ें. हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा.
Wishing you endless milestone growth and joy in the years ahead.
You keep continuing adding value to the society as always. Wish you the best.
And wish you many success for your podcast channels.
Cheers to you and all the best for your future podcast or your future endeavors.
May the coming years expand your work even more, bring lot of connections and engagement and lot of brilliance. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being consistent, and thank you for holding space for all the voices that matter. Keep rocking, keep growing, keep raising, because your impact is not only in the reels but it is in real.
Anybody who wish to take their business ahead, I would request them to contact Namrata once. All the very best.
और अंत में चैनल को 1 साल पूरा हो गया है, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. Good luck.
What I like about Namrata's podcast is she covers a wide variety of topics, from parenting to self-growth to spirituality, health, wellness and so much more. So if you're not tuned in already, you're missing out on a lot.
All success, keep shining, keep rising.
आशा करती हूँ इसी तरह से आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट हमें मिलता रहेगा. राधे राधे.